Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know.
Hello YouTube, it's your girl Kimberly. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing Suntouchable All Set for Sun 45 Broad Spectrum SPF 45 Sun Protection and Setting Spray from e.l.f. Skin. So if you want to hear my review, keep watching. Thank you so much for taking the time to come to my channel. We want you to be a part of the crew. We're so happy that you landed on this video. But before we get into it, if you can hit the subscribe button, that would be amazing. It is an easy and free way for you to help support the channel. We do so many beauty reviews, skincare reviews, hair, travel, nails, all kinds of videos for the channel. We want you to be a part of it, so make sure you subscribe. Also, if you like the video and hit the notification bell. That way you'll be first to know when I post a new video or when I go live. Okay, so I love Super Goop's Resetting Mist. But last summer I bought two of them and the pumps both malfunctioned. One, the pump malfunctioned, the other one, the pump was fine. So I ended up having to take the product from one and pour it in the other so that way I could try to use it. And I'm like, these things are $40. This is way too much money to be having malfunctioning with packaging. I'm not doing it. So then of course, once I saw this, I was like, you know what, I have to try it. Granted, it's much smaller for the price. It's not apples to apples. But at the end of the day, what I'm really looking for is to be able to set my makeup and have SPF, and then once I'm in the street and going on with my day, I can reapply my SPF by setting it again. So this is my makeup with no setting spray on it, and I'm just gonna shake it up and then I'm gonna put it on so you guys can see that it's truly clear and that it does work for deep and dark skin tones. Okay, doesn't sting, doesn't burn, has a slight sunscreeny smell, but it's good. It's not like overpowering or perfumey, and it dissipates. Like now I don't even smell anymore. So as you can see, my makeup still looks the same, unchanged. I have on mascara, brows, concealer, blush, contour. So as you can see, everybody's still in place. Everybody is still true to color. It still looks the same. There's no ashy, powdery film layer. It looks so good and it lasts so long, and it helps your makeup last. Like, it's a real setting spray and it's real SPF. And at this price point, you really cannot beat that. So I got mine from Target, but anywhere where they sell e.l.f. Skin, you'll find it. So I'm pretty sure it's at like Ulta and other drugstores like Walmart, places like that where they have e.l.f. They might have e.l.f. Skin. So definitely check it out. Now there's a full line of products. There's like a tinted SPF. I think there's like a regular SPF. They have so many different options, and sun care products are so important. Like, a lot of us, we're just now starting to, I know for me, it's been like probably like 5 or 6 years that I've really been committed to making sure that I wear my SPF to try to protect my skin, especially because I'm in the sun so much. So this is an affordable and quick way to continue doing that. Like I said, this is an amazing product. It has had my makeup lasting all day in the summer heat. I'm talking sweltering New York City, 90 degrees. Your face is about to melt off in the subway, and my makeup has not budged, not moved because of this setting spray. So and even if you're not wearing makeup, there are like sticks that you can put in your purse and carry it around, but sometimes you might not want to slather your face with sunscreen while you're already at the event or already in the place. So even if you're not wearing makeup, this can be something to spray on your skin that can really help to continue that sun barrier that you start when you first do your skin prep, and then, you know, every 60-90 minutes you're reapplying, especially if you're outside in direct sunlight. Okay, so again, this is the e.l.f. Skin All Set for Sun 45 SPF. I'm pretty sure this was like $12 or $13, but I will leave the actual price in the description. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. I really hope this was helpful. And if you wear makeup, don't wear makeup, but you want a lightweight spray to help you have continuous SPF protection, check this out. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire